is not moving at all. This actuator is gone. Hey guys, welcome back to McMaster's Automotive, and today we are here. It's a new version. We got a Ford. It's the first time we got a Ford. It's a Ford Fusion SE. That's Ayo. We're working for this guy today, and I'm so happy, buddy, you called us. And then yeah, so the problem is the tires, the rear tires are stuck. They're not moving at all. Here's the Aniket. Hey brother.
Yeah man, how are you?
Good, good. Put your car in drive and show the guys that this is not moving at all. See, it's stuck. Let me see. The electronic parking brake is not disengaging, so it's engaged and it's seized now, so it's not disengaging. So we're gonna have a look on the parking brake motor, that what's going on with there, and then from there we will go on from there. It's probably the caliper or the parking brake itself. I'm guessing it's the parking brake motor. That's what my guess is. We're gonna use scanner, put the car in the service mode, and it should push the parking brake off itself, but we will see what happens. So next step is we will try to take the caliper off, and then we will see if the caliper that's seized or it's the electronic parking brake system that's wrong.
Because we test the electronic parking brake system, apply and release test, and we heard the noise that it's releasing. So now we're gonna check the caliper. It might be the
caliper piston that's stuck.
Yeah.
So we're taking the caliper bracket bolt. One bolt is off. Now the second one. The anti-idle spring, take them off. I think the parking brake is still pressed. Otherwise it shouldn't be that hard to pop that. He's gonna go inside, press the parking brake. As you guys can see, there is no voice coming from here. The only you can see is from the other side. Release it, because the one actuator is not working properly. It sends the faulty readings on the dashboard, and once you have the fault readings on the dashboard, it prohibits the other ones to work as well. There's no vibrations, there's no noise coming from this one. This actuator is gone. We're taking this one out. There's not much space here. We're gonna try to take this out, and after that we will try to push that caliper piston back manually, and that way this car can be on the road. And then we're gonna disconnect the connector, so that customer, we put this car in service temporary, and then the customer can buy a new actuator for both sides, and then we'll ask him to change both at the one same time if he wants. I should go like doing both, and then we'll see from there. That's the bolt number 2, guys. As you can see, it's coming. Yeah, there we go. If that parking brake is applied, that's why it's seized, it's jammed, then it should rotate only on the one side. We will go counterclockwise on this one, so that it should release the pressure on the piston, and after that we will try to take the caliper bracket off. Yep, I can see the space. I think it's released. Try to take that bracket off, buddy. Yep, it's moving. So we'll tape this off. This thing is already fucked, so we don't care about this, but we're gonna tape this off the connector, and then leave it aside. And this other side, we're gonna take the connector off and then leave it that one too.
That's the temporary fix.
That's a temporary fix. If you're doing this way, the customer needs the car, and so that they can buy parts, or there's something emergency or anything happens, so they need a part for something. This is what you can do. Tape your electrical codes. Okay, we're gonna brush this up, and then we're gonna head up to the next one.
So he's gonna do taping on this side connector. I already disconnect the connector now.
That's what it was for this one, guys. Thank you for watching this one, and see you on the next one.